Happy watching! Hey guys, guess what the postman brought in today? Ta-da! I'm super excited, and you know what? I'm feeling grateful and thankful to all of you because about 3.5 years ago when we set up ChetChat, I truthfully never ever thought that this is going to come to me, and I'm so excited, and I'm going to open this right in front of you because it belongs to you. Okay, Cindy, shall we open it? Be careful, baby. Oh my god, ta-da! Okay, I hope I'm not doing something wrong. No. And it says Chetna Vasishth, ta-da! How does this open? Ta-da! What is that? And ta-da! Okay, there's a letter in it. And what does the letter say? You just done something that a very few number of YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Thank you, people. Okay, now I need to show you this. Thank you, YouTube. And that is the silver play button. Ta-da! Okay, I'm keeping the box down. And that is what it is. Wait, I need to take it out of the plastic. It is so beautifully packed. I hope my finger marks don't go on it. And that is what is it. Ta-da! Oh my god. Thank you, people. It's just shining, glittering silver play button. Thank you so much for all the love. And I love you and happy watching.